Hi there, I'm Christy with WTI. If you're a tea lover, listen up. I want to share with you my new tea obsession. This is the honey, citron, and ginger tea from Balance Grow, and it is my absolute favorite. I'm obsessed. This is a different type of tea than like what you get in a tea bag. It's actually got a gelatinous texture that will dissolve in the hot water. What I love most is it's got real orange peel in it. So when you're drinking it and you get to the bottom, there will still be a little orange peel left. That's like a delicious little treasure waiting for you. It's so yummy. Now for me personally, I will mix this with green tea, and that's my favorite way to have it, but you can also just mix this alone in hot water. I think there is nothing better than cuddling up with a hot cup of tea in the middle of winter. And if you feel the same, you should definitely check this out. And that's my point of view.